guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am here with one more basic video for all you law and commerce student. Whether you are in CSET executive or professional or a CA intermediate or final or foundation student, you must have gone through these topics or ऐसे कुछ basics है. You have always heard about companies like private companies, public companies, OPCs, but there are several different types of companies further which is divided like small companies, government company, associate companies. So I am bringing you the series of basic concepts as you all know. So today I am here to tell you about a basic concept of स्मॉल कंपनी. व्हाट इज अ स्मॉल कंपनी? आपने सुना होगा स्मॉल कंपनी. अगर आपने कंपनी लॉ पढ़ा है या आपने कोई भी कॉमर्स बैकग्राउंड में पढ़ाई की है, सो यू मस्ट ऑलवेज हैव हर्ड अबाउट अ टाइप ऑफ कंपनी विच इज नोन एज स्मॉल कंपनी. सो व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय स्मॉल कंपनी? लेट मी टेल यू गाइज, स्मॉल कंपनी इज अनदर टाइप ऑफ अ प्राइवेट कंपनी which is governed by section 2 subsection 85 of the Companies Act. Yes, section is very important. Then what is known as small company, or what you will call some company as a small company? So there are two conditions for any company to be a small company. Okay, ये दो कंडीशन फुलफिल होना बहुत ज़रूरी है इफ़ यू वांट टू बी क्वालिफाइड एज अ स्मॉल कंपनी. सो द फर्स्ट कंडीशन इज paid up share capital should not be more than 2 crore. Just make sure you understand this, that paid up share capital is not more than is the most important word. Means 2 crore से ज़्यादा paid up capital नहीं होना चाहिए. पहले it was 50 lakh but अभी amend होके it has become 2 crore. And गवर्नमेंट इसकी लिमिटेशन, इसका प्रिस्क्राइब्ड अमाउंट कभी भी इंक्रीज कर सकता है. ओके, नाउ द सेकेंड कंडीशन इज टू बी अ स्मॉल कंपनी द टर्नओवर शुड नॉट बी मोर देन 20 crore. The turnover should not be more than 20 crore. So these are the two conditions. ये fulfill होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, and this condition should be fulfilled every year. Now understand one important point. अगर आपका इस साल, for example 1920, you are having a limitation which is fulfilling the requirement of small company. Next year, suppose 2021, your turnover exceeds to 21 crore. So you will be ceased to be a small company. ये एक बहुत important point है और case law है that whenever you are exceeding the limit in any of the year, in that particular year, you are ceased to be the small company. अगर आप फिर से next year उस limitation, उस gap में आ जाते हो of a small company, you will again be qualified as a small company. In short, the conclusion is कि every year you have to check this limitations to be a valid small company. Now coming to some of the exceptions of small company who cannot be qualified as small companies. So definitely, जैसे मैंने आपको starting में बोला, small company is a type of private company. Okay, always and always public company कभी भी small company के लिए qualified नहीं हो सकती. Next, holding company या subsidiary company. Any company which is a holding company of any company, or any company which is subsidiary under a holding company, कोई भी ऐसे टाइप की कंपनी स्मॉल कंपनी के लिए क्वालिफाई नहीं हो सकती. ऑल्दो देयर इज अ कंपनी ए जिसका टर्नओवर और पेड अप शेयर कैपिटल अंडर द कैप ऑफ स्मॉल कंपनी है, और अ सब्सिडरी कंपनी जिसका paid up capital or turnover under the cap of small company hai, but if they are a holding or a subsidiary company of some another company, then they cannot be qualified as a small company. Then section 8 companies, जैसे हमने type of companies में भी पढ़ा था, that any charitable trust, producer companies, they cannot be valid for a small company. They are not qualified to be a small company. A company or a body corporate governed by any special act. अगर गवर्नमेंट कोई भी स्पेशल एक्ट से कोई भी एक पर्टिकुलर बॉडी कॉर्पोरेट या कंपनी इनकॉर्पोरेट करते हैं, सो दैट इज ऑल्सो नॉट वैलिड टू बी अ स्मॉल कंपनी. एज सिंपल एज दैट. सो आई होप यू आर क्लियर विद द exceptions of small company. Now there are certain advantages of small company definitely. सो स्मॉल कंपनीज का सबसे फर्स्ट एडवांटेज ये है कि यू डोंट नीड टू सबमिट द इनकम एंड एक्सपेंसेस, लाइक द कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट नीड नॉट रिक्वायर्ड इन अ स्मॉल कंपनी. सेकेंड, द रोटेशन ऑफ ऑडिटर्स एज एप्लीकेबल इन नॉर्मल कंपनीज इज नॉट एप्लीकेबल इन स्मॉल कंपनीज. थर्ड, ओनली 2 बोर्ड मीटिंग्स इज रिक्वायर्ड. जैसे हमने डोमेंट कंपनी में पढ़ा था, यहाँ पे भी स्मॉल कंपनी में भी यू कैन हैव ओनली 2 बोर्ड मीटिंग्स, बट द गैप शुड बी 90 days. प्लीज नोट दिस पॉइंट. ऐसा नहीं है कि इफ टुडे इज सपोज 16 फेब, तो आपने 16 फेब को एक बोर्ड मीटिंग ले ली और कल एक बोर्ड मीटिंग ले ली एंड फुलफिलिंग द रिक्वायरमेंट. नो, the gap between 2 board meetings should be 90 days. Okay, the fourth and most important advantage of this is जो annual returns होते हैं in small companies can be signed by only single person. If there is a company secretary, it should be signed by a company secretary, or if there is no company secretary, it can be signed by a director. In short, the conclusion is a single person can sign the annual returns of small company. And the last point is there is no need to submit a detailed board reports for small company. There is an abridged form. There is a form which is provided by central government. You can just submit that form to be valid for small companies. So I hope you are clear with the exceptions, meanings and advantages of small company. Coming up very soon with next basic video. Thank you so much guys, and do like and subscribe the channel and comment on the comment box for any of the topics you are interested to learn the basics of. Thank you guys. Bye bye.